At INTE-AUTO, we provide top-quality push-pull connectors and customized cable assembly solutions. Whether you need high-tech connectors or tailored cables for specific uses, we've got what you're looking for. These applications showcase the versatility of customized cable assemblies, meeting specific needs across a wide range of industries, such as automotive, medical equipment, industrial machinery, telecommunications, consumer electronics, aerospace and defense, and data centers, robotics, military, marine and underwater applications. Our focus is on delivering reliable products that meet your exact requirements. Count on INTE-AUTO for straightforward solutions, ensuring your connectivity needs are met with ease. Choose INTE-AUTO for straightforward, reliable, and customized solutions in the world of connectors and cables.